Good evening, all of you present here, teachers and sirs. My name is Pooja Vinod Khanande, and I will be your host till of the end of the functions. The chief guest of honors and all invited teachers and my friends. I would like to invite Avril to welcome the chief guest of X-Men Deepak Thevarkar. Thank you, Avril. And I would like to invite Sarthak to chief guest Sandhya Dhandar. Chairperson chief guest Sandhya Dhandar. Thank you. Today we are having brilliant student who will complete the speech of complete competition and share their views about the given topic. Can women become a good leader and bring out their hidden thoughts? So now I see all the participants to ready to come on the stage and share their views about the given title. So I would like to call on the stage Sarthak Phadke. So share your नाही पहिले हे घेऊन घ्यायचं.
Hi friends, good evening to respected chief guest, respected chairman and all my dear friends and all my teachers. Indira Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee, they are women's one president. What do you think? They do a good work, and I think that a woman is a good leader. Thanks.
Thank you, Sarthak. So I would like to call on the stage Vanshika Razurkar.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika, respected chief guest, teacher and all my dear friends. I would like to share thought about can women become a good leader? Women are good leader more than men because she work smarter rather than harder and she take her own decision as well as social development. Women are success in many fields like politics, education, sports, etc. In ancient time, women are not educated. She is only stay at home. At that time, only man was leader and women are not. But now, women are also leader. And there are so many women leaders in our India, like Indira Gandhi. She was first woman Prime Minister of India, and Rani Lakshmi Bai, she known as the Queen of Jhansi State, and Pratibha Patil, she was first woman president in our India. I'm proud of her because she is from Amravati, and they are the great women leader in our India. The role of women is important in our society. Therefore, women are good leader more than men. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanshika. Now I would like to call Arnav to give introductory speech.
Good evening everyone. My name is Arnav Chande. I would like to welcome our chairperson is Miss Sandhya Gandhar. She is a teacher by profession. She teaches at Jilla Parishad School at Mahspur. Then I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Deepak Thakkar. He has done service in Indian Army as a threat journal. Then I would like to welcome our judge, that is our favorite Kiran sir. Now I would like to say some few lines about today's topic. Can women become a good leader? There is a great deal of public interest in ensuring more women become leaders, thereby reversing their representation in the ranks of power. Too many suggested solutions are founded on the misconception that women ought to emulate men. Women can be great leaders in their own life. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav. Now I would like to call Krupa Khode. So share your views and thoughts.
Good evening, respected chairperson of today's program, honorable chief guest. Today's topic is can woman become a good leader? Yes, woman make a good leader, and you know that. Pratibha Tai Patil was 12th Prime Minister of India and President of India, and Indira Gandhi was 3rd Prime Minister of India, and I tell one poem. Nothing is the sun, nothing is the moon. Your beauty is so nice. Whether than the sky, higher than the hill, your mind is so striking. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Krupa. So now I would like to call on the stage Riya Mane.
Good evening, Honorable Chairperson, Chief Guest, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Riya Girish Mane. I am here to express my words on can women become good leaders. Yes, of course, leadership skills are not gender dependent. Women and men have different characteristics and attributes. Men have ruling the business world since ages. Now women stepped into the business world and it seems like they are doing best. Many top-notch companies are now under women. For example, Yahoo company, which was held by a male CEO, is now under a female CEO named Marisa. This is one of the best example for women because of their leadership skills. A very great line said by Beyonce, who is a lady, that power is not given to us, we have to take it. Woman is a great multitasker, whether it is home or whether it is business office. Women are proven to be better multitasker than men. I want to tell you one story that once researchers gave 50 male and 50 female students 8 minutes to perform 4 activities like solving some maths problems, finding restaurants on map and other 2 activities. As a result, the studies found that a woman is able to perform all 4 activities and fastly than men. This shows that women are multitaskers in any given condition. There are so many great women's leader in Amravati, like Aarti Singh, who is DCP, then Navneet Rana, who is member of parliament, then Pavneet Kaur, who is IAS collector of Amravati. Then I would there are so many reasons that women can be a great leader, like they can balance professional and personal life, they are a good thinker, she is a great communicator, they have loads of focus, they are always ready against the odds. Lastly, I want to say some lines in Marathi. ती स्त्रीच आहे जिने जगणे शिकवले, ती स्त्रीच आहे जिने या जगण्याला अर्थ दिला, ती स्त्रीच आहे जिने या अर्थाला शब्द दिले, ती स्त्रीच आहे जिने या शब्दाला क्षणांमध्ये बदलले. सो थँक्यू.
Thank you, Riya. Now I would like to call on the stage Gunjan Shevatkar.
Good evening everyone, honorable chairperson, respected teachers and my dear friends. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. So friends, today's speech topic is can women become a good leader? So almost we have seen leaders, women other than men. So I think it is not good, because if women have determination, patience and ability, so women also can become good leader. And leadership, it is not dependent on gender, it is dependent on your ability, your skills and etc. So you decide leader means women or men on gender, so it is completely wrong. And you know what this question arise, can women become a good leader? Because you always don't give the same opportunity, and you don't treat men and women same, and society is the main reason of this question arise. Society don't support the women and pull back women, so main reason of this question arise society. And if one woman can handle home, so one woman can handle district, one woman can handle state, and one woman can handle country. So I tell a few lines about society related to topics. कि हर रोज़ एक नए किस्से लाए जाते हैं, हर रोज़ नए किस्से लाए जाते हैं, हर एक नई नई बातें हमें समझाई जाती है, हर रोज़ नए किस्से लाए जाते हैं, हर रोज़ हमें एक नई नई बातें समझाई जाती है. सारे जीने के तौर तरीके हमें ही सिखाए जाते हैं, कि सारे जीने के तौर तरीके हमें ही सिखाए जाते हैं, और अगर ना माने तो बड़े ही आसानी से बिगड़ी हुई है कहलाया जाता है. अगर पूछा जाए कि मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर सकती, अगर पूछा जाए कि मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर सकती, तो तू लड़की है, लड़की की तरह है, तो लड़की की तरह रह कर चुप करा दिया जाता है. अगर ये सही है, अगर ये सही है तो गलत क्या है, और अगर ये गलत है, और अगर ये गलत है तो सही क्या है. ये सही और गलत के बीच में हमारे सपने दाव पर लगा दिए जाते हैं. करने को तो एक लड़की सब कुछ कर सकती है, कि करने को तो एक लड़की सब कुछ कर सकती है, बस आपकी सोच, छोटी सोच बदलने की देर है जनाब, वरना अपने सपनों की खुले आसमान में उड़ान हम भी भर सकते हैं, अपने सपनों की खुले आसमान में उड़ान हम भी भर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Gunjan, for a lovely speech.